anyways, thank you for clicking this video. I would love if you like, comments, and subscribe down below. And down in the description button is all the information you want to know. And that's on period. Today I will be showing you a DIY face mask. And it's cute. I bleached this one. But I'm just going to show you a regular one. And I'm going to show you the rest of them I did. So I'm going to show y'all how I did it. And maybe you can do it too. So let's get into it.
That's why you never pause when we on FaceTime. And them niggas be mad cause they can't get you.
All you need is a fabric, right? You can use any fabric, right? I'm gonna go in here and get this fabric now. These are some brand new underwear. So all you gotta do, line it up under your ears. Cut this part down here. First of all, and this is no sewing needed. I'm gonna use my glue gun. Yes, glue gun. So if you want to secure it, use your glue. Use some you can just, I don't even know what I want to say. Just sew it if you want to secure it. But like it is secure though. So
these are brand new, so don't play me.
what you do, line it up. Got that hard? No, just go down. You go down an inch from where you measured. So just in case you mess up, you can just cover that up. And that's on period. Let me just cut this though. It's very self-explanatory and easy. It's beginner friendly. Yes it is. So you see the little top of the line. Maybe I should have got the black ones. The top. You see, cut that part all the way down, and then let me just go ahead and show y'all. I use a shirt, but I just came up with this idea because see that? Very easy. Don't do that. You can cut it normal. I'm just trying to rush it. So what you do is line it up, put it behind your ears, and then measure it right to like right here. So that part right there you cut, but don't cut in the front, cut in the back of it, like right there of your measurement. And then just fold it. Yes, fold it. This thing just getting all out of hand. Fold it and measure it what the same width, just like that. So you got your little, what's the name so far? Then let me show y'all what y'all do next. You take your hot glue gun and you go straight across and just fold it. But my hot glue gun is not hot yet, so I'm gonna have to wait. So hold on. So anyways, where I got these little fabric underwear from, it was ordered and they come in a pack of these. This is a large because my face is a large. Stop. But anyways, so it's basically easy. You can do it with any kind of underwear, any fabric. Just shape it the way you want it, because some people have their little masses like this and they, you know, do them. But like, yeah, underwear. Don't be coming in the comments on me though. Okay, it's basically the same thing. Because you can barely see the white one. I'm just redoing it. So you take these, hit it like that, hit it behind your ear, measure it to like right there, you fold it there, and you cut. Don't cut exactly where you go down an inch. Down an inch. I'm just trying to help people out because like they saying they ran out of masses and stuff. I be seeing a lot of ways people do it. Now I'm just showing you my way. You ain't gotta use my way, but I'm just saying, because these brand new underwear, ain't nobody gonna know. but us. After you cut that part, you make sure it's your length. But it don't have to, it don't stop here. You gotta put it like an inch or so down. You go ahead and do the little scraps. So all you gotta do is follow the line and then you cut that part. You ain't gotta be far, cause I know y'all ears ain't that big. Where are they? But anyways, so you take it, put it behind your ears, measure it, which is right there. So you can fold it up and you cut it right there. But you gotta have to extend it a little bit, just in case. Just a little bit. Then you test it out, put it behind your ears, and then like that. Okay, now back to this part. I know my thing heated up now. You take your hot glue gun, you put a little dot there. You put as much glue as you want. I'm just trying to make mine look good. Okay, and you do the other side too. And if you want to be able to like put tissue inside with Vicks, you can just extend this when you cut it and fold it all the way up, and then you can be able to put like stuff inside, stuff like that. But yeah, and press it down. Then you got the bottom right. You got it together. Then you're gonna take your little scraps. See, if you wanted to trim it, you could just trim it straight. You take it, come around like that. You put a little dot here, put it down on there like that. Let it go ahead and dry up, and do the same thing to the other side. This is like little baby underwear. I ain't gonna lie, don't it? Or a pamper or something. Look. But anyways, and if you want to, you can fold it again and do the same thing. I'm sorry, give me a minute. See. Thank you. And you can design it however you want to. And then let me show you one more time with this one. You take your glue gun, you can go straight across, or you can just do the dot method, just like I showed you on the first one. Make sure it's nice and neat. Make sure no glue is hanging out. Do the rest of it just like this. Fold it just like that. See? And you take this side. You see how straight it is? You just bend it over like that and glue it. See? Yep. And then come around. That's the dot method. I told y'all, the dot method get you through it. And then do the same thing to this side. Just like that. Wait till it dry. This way right here. This is the dot method all over it. You know? It do look like a pamper though, a little bit. So this one is just like the other one. This is the one I made before. What I told y'all with the bleach. Just bleach. And then the tie-dye one is up there drying. Oh, no. Delete it! I'm just getting aggravated. Like, that's another one. And let me show y'all the I'm gonna show y'all the white one in a minute. Hold on. This is the pink one I made with the little pink words on it. If y'all, yes, y'all see the words? It's a highlighter. Don't get what a highlighter is. It's just a regular highlighter, and I just drew on it. This one, I just dipped it in bleach and washed it out or whatever. Then this one, I made with y'all. Too, and that's on period. So let me show y'all the tie-dye one I made as well. It's kind of wet. Oh, it smells good. This is the tie-dye one. Yeah. Okay. So I was going to do the way I be seeing. So do that. But try my method out. They do it just like this. It don't look like this, but you get the drift, right? So they get a headband or something. They fold it. Put the little rubber band on there first. And fold it. I think it'd be scrunchies though. And then they get another rubber band and put it on this side and fold it. They take these two rubber bands here and do just like that. Ooh, let me put the other rubber band on. These small rubber bands. Listen, I don't know. I don't got no big old rubber bands. You know they ran out. Do just like that. Do you want something that's gonna fall apart? Let me stop. But anyways, I done showed y'all two methods. But don't use these small rubber bands. Use the big thick ones. I don't know. I ain't got no rubber bands like that. Cause I ain't seen nothing in the stove. I don't know. They be running out. But anyways, those hurt my ears. But use the thick one.
Like the heavy duty ones. Put the rubber band on there like that, fold it, and then attach it. Do the same thing on this side, fold it, and attach it, and just adjust it like that, basically. Just like that.
But anyways, thank you for clicking this video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe down below. And turn that little notification button. Stop playing. Because you know I'm coming back with them bangers. No, I ain't pranking nobody. But I am. Don't help y'all out. I done made face masks for y'all. Listen, and that's on period. You can make face masks that match your outfit too. Like, oh. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to come back. And that's on period. Bye-bye.